Nyakasani. Emose kilo changes Kenya ka. The year 2001, Kenya was almost breaking. It is Raila Amolo Odinga who said, Kibaki tosha. Monyolo nak. Mano save Kenya. Sirkand nak. E mono stabilize economy in this country. We are now in a very dangerous situation now in Kenya, and you know it, politically and economically. But we have a resource. We have here Raila Amolo Odinga, our party leader and the leader of the movement, and Martha Karua is here, the deputy. The only person we don't have here today, Kalonzo Musyoka. Tujiadeki, emanya lokonyo Kenya. Kejo moko katos bayo, okokisai bayo. Kinda eteko, sinanyelweni. In the national anthem of Kenya, we sing, justice be our shield and defender. Justice be what? A shield and defender. Force and cruelty and violence cannot be our shield and defender, especially when it comes to those charged with leading the nation, or those who have assumed the responsibility of leading the nation. We as Kenyans who are in the struggle for the second liberation, and now we are in the third liberation, we must continue to be resolute and determined to defend our hard-gained independence and freedom. Are we together? Are we together? Therefore, we must stay together, because in our hands, in the hands of Raila Amolo Odinga and Martha Karua and Kalonzo Musyoka, lie the future of this nation. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Hallelujah. Asanteni sana.
Pero kamano. Abenda dwa wacho mati.